Machine firstly is connected with the power supply. This machine is 220 voltage single phase. It can connect with four square wire lines to provide its connect here. Here is the power supply connection. Inside is the others. No need just connect this power supply. After connect the power supply, please connect the air compressor for machine. Because this vibration head and the beveling head need to work with the air. Because our factory have air compressor, so we connect here. And when you receive the machine, you connect this paper. This side is for air in, and this side is for air out. So you can connect with a 6-part air compressor. Oil separate type air compressor. 6-part is okay. This side in and this side out. Voltage. For this oil pump is put the engine oil. For the air compressor could choose 3 kW power is okay. It can put inside the machine professional use gear use oil.